Decode function. This is kind of like if then else function. Here the first parameter gets processed. If it is same as the second parameter, then it gets replaced with this third parameter and so on. In this example, if job ID is AD_press, then it will be replaced by president. Or if it is IT_prog, then it will be replaced by software developer. SA rep will be replaced by sales associate. Everything else will be replaced with not applicable. You can see it here. AD press has been replaced with president. IT prog as software developer. Everything else as not applicable. Or I can leave everything else to its original value like this SQL. Look at the difference. Instead of specifying the everything else value, I'm just specifying the column name itself in its place. Okay, so this does the change where it's applicable and leaves the rest. Case function. The case function also provides if then else functionality with more options. Let us just say that I want to make those who were hired after Jan 1st 2005 as eligible for 401k plan. I also want to make those who were hired before Jan 1st 2005 as eligible for pension plan, and the rest as not applicable. I will then use this SQL. Here I begin with a case followed by when hire date is greater than January 1st 2005, then eligible for 401k plan. When hire date is lesser than January 1st 2005, then eligible for pension plan, otherwise not applicable. And I am ending the case statement with an end here. So you can see it here. Hire date is before 2005, and so they are eligible for pension plan, and hire date is after 2005, so they are eligible for 401k plan. Thank you for watching.